Rockstar Energy Husqvarna Factory Racing Team, ready for 2025. The Rockstar Energy Husqvarna Factory Racing Team enters the 2025 season with an impressive two-rider lineup featuring Malcolm Stewart and RJ Hampshire. Both athletes will pilot state-of-the-art Factory Edition motorcycles as they tackle the Supercross, Pro Motocross, and SMX series. Stewart will ride the Husqvarna FC 450 Factory Edition full-time, while Hampshire will compete on the Husqvarna FC 250 Factory Edition before transitioning to the 450 class later in the year. The team aims to make a strong start at the iconic Anaheim 1 opener on January 11, 2025. Over the season, the competition will span 31 total races, including 17 Supercross rounds, 11 Pro Motocross rounds, and a 3-round SMX postseason. Malcolm Stewart, building on momentum. Malcolm Stewart had a remarkable 2024 season, showcasing resilience and consistency across the 450SX, 450MX, and 450SMX championships. He secured 10th place in Supercross, 6th in Pro Motocross, and 16th overall in the SMX postseason. Following an impressive off-season, including participation in the Paris Supercross, the 32-year-old rider is eager to push his limits further in 2025. Reflecting on his preparation, Stewart said, "The 2025 season feels like a fresh start. It's been a productive off-season, and I'm ready to kick off the year strong at A1." With a strong team supporting him, Stewart is determined to excel in the new season. RJ Hampshire, defending the 250SX West crown. RJ Hampshire, the reigning 250SX West champion, is focused on retaining his title in 2025. Riding the Husqvarna FC 250 Factory Edition, he plans to transition to the 450 class for the Pro Motocross Championship and SMX Series later in the year. Despite undergoing minor wrist surgery recently, Hampshire remains optimistic about his performance. "My goal is still to defend my title," Hampshire explained. "We'll finalize our strategy for the season soon, and I'm looking forward to being back on track." The team is prioritizing his long-term health and readiness, with flexibility to adapt plans if needed. Team Manager's Perspective. Nathan Ramsey, Rockstar Energy Husqvarna Factory Racing Team Manager, expressed confidence in the team's approach for 2025. With Stewart's strong foundation from 2024 and Hampshire's competitive edge, Ramsey believes both riders are poised for success. He emphasized the importance of tailoring support to each rider's needs while maintaining a focus on health and performance. "Malcolm is physically and mentally prepared, and we're excited to see his potential this season. RJ's injury was unfortunate, but we're focused on his long-term success," said Ramsey. The team is committed to strategic adjustments, including a potential shift to the East Coast Series if Hampshire requires additional recovery time. The season ahead, 2025 schedule and price insights. The 2025 season offers fans thrilling action across Supercross, Pro Motocross, and SMX events. The opening round at Anaheim 1 kicks off a year of high-intensity racing, with 31 total races on the calendar. Fans can anticipate tight competition as Stewart and Hampshire showcase their skills on the cutting-edge Husqvarna Factory Edition bikes. While prices for individual races and merchandise vary, the premium performance of the Factory Edition motorcycles reflects the team's commitment to excellence. For reference, the Husqvarna FC 450 Factory Edition starts at $11,999, showcasing its advanced engineering and race-ready features.